Announcing the latest technological advancement in bullet construction from Hornady. A complete departure from tradition. A bullet as solid as the reputation of its makers, the GMX. Through the implementation of new manufacturing technology, Hornady is proud to offer the most recent innovation in a long line of highly respected Hornady hunting bullets, GMX bullets and ammunition.
We're here on the range at Paza Park in Barry, Illinois, and I'm with my old friend Steve Johnson from Hornady Manufacturing. This is a first look at a brand new bullet from Hornady.
Well, what we're taking a look at here today is the new GMX bullet, which we'll be offering as a component bullet and in a few factory-loaded offerings as well for 2009. And a little bit about the gilding metal bullet. It's a solid bullet. Now, gilding metal is a little different than copper. It's a little harder, a little tougher. It's going to cut down on fouling.
Well, it's a combination of several different Hornady technologies. Now, this is the same polymer tip that you're using on your AMAX and your SST.
Interbond, yep, all across the board.
But you've also got a couple of driving bands and a substantial boat tail, and that of course reduces bearing surface.
Exactly what it does. And it's important to get the bearing surface cut down because we wanted to deliver a component bullet that could be used with the same hand loading data as our Interbond data, as our SST data, without having to do.
And that's fantastic.
Eliminating the lead core creates a solid or monolithic hunting bullet that will never separate, even at the fastest velocities, while still providing unparalleled downrange terminal performance at lower velocities.
Now, these are upset bullets at different ranges or
Correct.
different velocities?
Yeah, different impact velocities.
Okay.
The first one here is at 3,400 feet per second. The second is fired into gelatin at 2,700 feet per second. And the final was right at 2,000 feet per second.
Wow, so even at 2,000 feet per second, you're still getting it to open up.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome.
And that was something that was really important to us. We wanted to make sure that we had a tough enough bullet to work in the fastest cartridges out there for the hand loader, as well as a bullet that would still open up and deliver exceptional terminal performance in the cartridges like the 308 Winchester.
Well, you're going to offer this in selected factory loads as well. This is the 150 grain 300 Ruger Compact Magnum.
Yep.
And you'll have correct. It in what, 308, 3006?
Yep,
300 Win Mag.
300 Win Mag, and then the 270 130 will be loaded in the 270 Winchester, and a 7mm 139 in the 7mm Remington Mag.
Jason Hornady put the new GMX to the test on a Wyoming mule deer hunt with his 300 Ruger Compact Magnum. The GMX, a brand new bullet as solid as the reputation of its makers.